Hello friends, welcome to Techno Geek. My name is Rakesh and today I'll be showing you how to install Ubuntu operating system, which is basically a Linux distribution on your virtual machine. If you don't know what is virtual machine, I just suggest you to watch my previous video on virtual machines and you'll have a clear-cut idea on what is virtual machine. Virtual machine is just basically if you don't want to delete the operating system which you already use on your base PC and still you want to try different operating systems out on your PC, you can use virtual machines. It's just like a virtual computer on your original computer. However, I suggest you to watch my previous videos. So here we go. We install operating system on a virtual machine. I use this VMware workstation, which is a virtual machine, and if you want free software, then I suggest you to use Oracle Virtual Machine. Okay, it can be downloaded from on the official website for free. And click on Create New Virtual Machine. Next. I'll install the operating system later. Next, Linux Ubuntu. Next, where do you want to save the installation? I want to save this installation in my VM Ubuntu. Okay. Next, okay, so probably I have some machines installed. Let me delete that first. It's showing a bit problem over here, so I'll delete it. Now I'll save this. How much space do you want to allocate? I'll choose around 60 GB. And make sure that you select this first option, store virtual disk as a single file, and select next. And customize hardware, network adapter, NAT, and CD. Mount your ISO. Just go to browse and select the area where you have the operating system ISO file, which you have downloaded it from the internet, from official website, and once again it's completely free of cost. 32-bit. So I'll be installing 32-bit operating system right now, and close. We have customized our hardware and click on finish. So we have now created our virtual machine. We have created a virtual computer for our installation process. So, and also what we have done is we have selected the ISO image file from our disk. Okay, disk drive, hard disk, so that ISO file will boot up as soon as I turn on the computer. I'll just click on this virtual machine and the installation will begin. So yeah, to make it a full screen, just Alt plus Control plus Enter. The whole process of this installation would take around 10 to 15 minutes, guys, and also it will depend upon your processor speed and the capacity, video memory capacity, or whatever, RAM capacity. Okay, what is this? So yeah, this welcome window will pop up. It will ask you to try Ubuntu or install Ubuntu. What you need to do is install Ubuntu. If you already have Windows 7, in your in your PC, and you want to remove that, or you want to install this Ubuntu alongside that Windows 7, you need to select this install Ubuntu option. And if you don't want to install this Ubuntu operating system on your PC, rather just try it, you can do that even by selecting try Ubuntu. But the video is basically for the steps of installation, so I'll click on install Ubuntu. So yeah, it'll be showing like it has at least, please ensure that it has at least 6.5 GB available disk drive space and it's connected to internet. Install third-party software, download updates while installing Ubuntu. Uses third-party software for Flash, MP3 and other media, and to work with some graphics and Wi-Fi hardware. Some of this software is proprietary and the software is subjected to license term included with documentation. Install the third-party application would be fine for me right now. We'll download it later on once we install it. Basic concern is to install Ubuntu on my system, right? So we'll click on install now. Okay, so here you will be, if you have Windows 7 or Windows operating system, it will be showing like you have Windows 7, you have Windows 8, or you have Windows Vista, Home Basic, whatever. It will be showing here, and it will ask you whether you need to work with Ubuntu by installing it alongside that Windows operating system, or you want to erase the disk. Right now I'll click something else because I don't have any operating system beforehand in this virtual machine. And if you have Windows 7 already installed, it'll ask you, we found that Windows 7 is here, and do you want to use install Ubuntu alongside Windows operating system? And as per requirement, you can select this check box. Okay, and I'll select something else right now and continue, and make partition, continue. Free disk is 64 GB or something, 60 GB, and I'll make it 20 GB. Plus, let me select the swap area. 2 GB is enough. 2 GB will do. Let me select swap and click OK. Plus, allocate it for home. OK. Yeah, we have pretty much done everything. We have made the partition, and now let's go here and install. Continue. Select your country. I right now live in India, so I'll click India and country. You can just select by using the cursor. Select the language which you want this operating system to have, and select the name for your PC. Password for your PC. You can either select login automatically or require my password to log in. Yeah. If you select this, it will ask you before you enter your operating system, it will ask you your password before login. And if you select this one, as it is indicated, so I don't need to explain it. Yeah, just click continue. Okay friends, we have pretty much done almost everything. So from now it might take around 10 minutes for all the formalities to be done from its side. So you don't need to worry about anything. And guys, now for those who don't know what virtual machine is and what I did before this window pop-up, virtual machine, VMware, what is VMware, everything. If you don't know all those things, you don't need to worry. What you need to do is just to download Ubuntu operating system from the official website. The last video you can find where to find the operating system. I will be mentioning the link below in the description as well. You can just download your operating system for free, and if you want to make donation for the development of the operating system, you can just go ahead and make your donation as per your interest. And if you don't want to donate, you can just download it for free. And once you download it, what you need to do is either you can burn the image file on a CD or DVD, or make a bootable pen drive and insert it and start your installation on your PC. I don't have CD over here. I am not burnt, but still I'm installing it because I don't want to remove the Windows operating system from my base PC, but still I want to test Ubuntu. So I have a virtual machine software which basically creates a virtual computer on my original computer, and the functions, everything are exactly same as an original computer. So if you are using this virtual machine, you need to know a bit technicalities, specifications, everything. You need to make a bit settings for creating virtual machine, initiating virtual machine. So after installing whatever steps you need to take, if you want to know that, you just watch my previous video on how to create a virtual machine. You'll be having a very good idea of that virtual machine, everything. And that was my previous, that is one method, and using virtual machine is another method. Yes, so it's taking a little time. You can just study, you can just study all these things, so you get a brief overview on what you're gonna install, what you are already installing. So it says like, welcome to Ubuntu 14.04, fast and full of new features. Latest version of Ubuntu makes computing easier than ever. Here are a few cool new things to look out for. Find even more software. So the most interesting fact is you have a separate exclusive software center for this Linux operating system Ubuntu, and you can find a hell lot of softwares which are really useful for you. Once you install it, you can just browse for softwares for different categories. You can find softwares over here. Say goodbye to searching the web for new software, which Ubuntu Software Center you can find and install new apps with ease. Just type in what you are looking for or explore categories such as science, education and game alongside helpful reviews from others. Take your music with you. Ubuntu comes with an amazing rhythmic box player with advanced playback options. It's simple to queue up the perfect songs, and it works great with CDs and portable players. Also, you can enjoy all your music wherever you go and have fun with your photos. So Shotwell is a handy photo manager that is ready for your gadgets. Connect a camera or a phone to transfer your photo. That it's easy to share them and keep them safe. If you are feeling creative, you can try a lot of photo apps from the Ubuntu Software Center. Make the most of the web. Ubuntu includes Firefox, the web browser used by millions of people. You have Firefox, Flash, and Chromium. Basically, I don't want to read all this stuff. And what? Everything you need for the office. It's an equivalently good as Microsoft Office, which we use regularly on regular basis. On Windows operating system, you have Microsoft Office, and here you get LibreOffice, and is a free office suite packed with everything you need to create documents, spreadsheets, and presentations, compatible with Microsoft Office file formats as well. So it gives you all the features you need without the price tag as well. That's great, right? Isn't it? LibreOffice Writer, LibreOffice Calculator, LibreOffice Express. You can just really, trust me, you'll be really impressed once you start using all these tools. Appearance, assistive technology, and language support. Okay, check out ubuntu.com for answers to all your Ubuntu questions. There's a good chance of I got a call. So here's it. It will take a bit time, like 10 minutes, 10 minutes or 15 minutes to get installed. So you can either forward this video, or I'll do one thing, I'll just pause the video and I'll come back as soon as that process gets completed, right? So guys, it's been 10 to 15 minutes and you'll be getting this window, and what you need to do is to restart your system. So I will be doing that. Okay, so click on restart now, and as soon as system will restart, your installation has been completed. Okay, now it's asking you please remove installation media and close the tray if any, and then press enter. So I'll just press enter. If you're installing it from a CD or a DVD or pen drive, you just need to remove that and just press enter. Okay, so our installation has been completed successfully, my dear friends. So yes, okay, so we have successfully installed it, and just you need to type your password which you have just created while installing. Here we go. A new version of Ubuntu is available. Would you like to upgrade now? Yes friends, I have installed 14.04. Probably 16 is also available. So I don't want to if you want to upgrade it right now, you can do. I don't want it to upgrade right now, so ask me later. So here we go, we have successfully installed it, and you can just select here and search for your files and folders, videos, editors, thumbnails, whatever, calculator, and this will be your disk, desktop, documents, downloads, everything, desktop, documents, downloads, music, pictures, videos, floppy disk, computer. There's no floppy. Okay, so computer, this is your computer, and browse, network, connector, server, whatever you need to do, you can do it. You just need to, if you want to serve internet, Amazon is inbuilt app which you will be getting if you install Ubuntu, and So here we go, friends. So it has been installed. Okay, so let me cancel this. So yeah, this was the installation, and now I'll just shut down the system. It's pretty cool operating system, by the way. So just install it and try it for a few days. And how to use Ubuntu, what are the basic steps, how to use this Office suite, that's free package which you get, and what are the basic tricks and tips. I'll be explaining that in my next video. And thank you really very much for watching this video, friends, and thank you. And please don't forget to subscribe the channel so that it keeps me motivated to make further videos. Yeah, thank you, friends. Thank you for watching my video. Take care. Bye bye.